This is a little walking tour. This is Ventnor, a town in on Wight Island here in the south coast of England. So this is the Spyglass Inn, and out on the ocean is a sailboat race. Just pan around, and there's the beach. It's about 5:45. Sun won't go down for a couple of hours. Beautiful day here. It's like a little seaside town, so let's just do a little walk. There's an interesting sign here. Yeah, here it is. Ventnor Beach. It was established in 1830 as a winter sanitarium and health resort for invalids. Now there you have it. Just a great little spot here. Pan back, you can see the pub by the water. Glorious day here. So we're staying at one of these hotels up here at the top, and the view from up top is just spectacular. We'll walk over here. You know me, my videos tend to be too long. Make sure I don't get run over in England. I always look the wrong way. Hump for 260 yards. So look how steep it is here, eh? That is an incline. Here's the Lady Scarlet's Tea Parlor. I love those Brits. Open coffee house, ice cream, selection of pies. Here's some guys in some ATVs coming. I feel like I'm back in Alberta or something here. Let's walk along here. Nice day. Beautiful. Very hilly here. And there is a Longshore Museum free entry gift shop. I think on that note, I'm going to end.